16 24. Can any be divided by 2? Yes, therefore divided. Divided by 2, 8. Divided by 2, 12. Can be divided by 2. Divided by 2 is 4. Divided by 2 is 6. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Okay. Divided by 2 is 1. Cannot be divided by 2, therefore equal. Okay. Okay. Here cannot be divided by 2. Divided by 3. Yes, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 cannot be divided by 3, therefore equal. 1, 1. Okay. Here 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 1 time exponent 1. 2 multiply 4 times 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Multiplied by 2, 16. Multiply 48. Okay.